Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have Nature Valley Salty Caramel Nut Bars here. They look really good. Here's what one of them looks like. This. Like that. It's a protein bar. And, I can say I have a bit of a soft spot for Nature Valley bars, even though they're not really my favorite thing to eat. They're not like my go-to item. It's quite good. I'm reviewing these bars.
What bars?
Nature Valley. They're old.
No. You're just sitting there. Look at you. What is this? Did you eat my...
Yeah.
You ate all my little bruschettas?
Yeah.
Stop eating.
Overall, I have to give it a 9.5 out of 10, maybe 9.6, maybe 9.4. Stick with a mid to high 9.5. I think the salted caramel is very delicious. The nuts are a little uninspired. I'll actually have to give this like a 9.3, maybe 9.4. Stick with the 9.4. I'll my review, and you hear my homies.